The second generation AirPods 2 are here, and I am so excited. If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and unbox the most anticipated product of 2019. I mean, everybody is going crazy. Everybody's going, I don't have a knife. I don't know where my knife went, so we're gonna go ahead and try to unbox it. Try to unbox the AirPods 2, and here it is. I haven't actually seen the packaging of the AirPods 2 yet, and I think they're pretty similar than the first generation AirPods. If I'm not mistaken, they're exactly the same design packaging wise as the first generation AirPods. So I'm kind of sad that the packaging looks exactly the same. Right here in the back it says AirPods with wireless charging case, so that's new, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and right here we actually have Apple's branding that says AirPods with wireless charging case as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the actual famous Apple unboxing. And I'm so excited. We get designed by Apple in California right there. And if we actually lift the cover, let's go ahead and see what's in the packaging, because you know, we gotta see what's in the packaging. We got some AirPods instructions over here. iPhone and iOS, turn on Bluetooth. It basically shows you how it all works. watchOS, it works with your Apple Watch, etc. Okay, yeah, I think you guys probably don't really care on the paperwork. I know you guys want to see the AirPods, but you gotta see the paperwork. All right, here are the actual AirPods, and oh my gosh, I'm kind of freaking out. Let's go ahead and do the famous sound. Oh man, did you see that? That's actually really cool. Hold on, let's try to do that again actually. Did you guys see that? So when you actually take them out of this packaging, the actual lid actually comes out. Let's do it again. Did you see that? That is so cool. That is so Apple-like. Okay, and here is the actual new AirPods 2. We can see, of course, that right there. And we now get the LED in the front. And if we actually open it, there is no more LED right inside. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Wait, actually, before we go ahead and pair it with our iPhone, don't ever forget that inside of your AirPods packaging, right in the back, there is this lightning cable right here. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and get into the setup of the AirPods. Yes, I'm still doing the Samsung Galaxy S10 challenge. I've got it in my pocket. I promise I haven't been using my iPhone, but I think for this unboxing we should do. By the way, I'm rocking the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Unboxing on that tomorrow. I don't want to talk about it in this video because there's already a video coming about the Galaxy Watch Active, whether today or tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's go ahead and pair the AirPods. It's as simple as just lifting up the lid, and they should pop up right there. There you go. Wait, what? Software update. Some feature of this audio accessory will require a newer version of iOS. Well, that sucks. Let me go ahead and update my phone, and I'll come back to you in just a second.
2 hours later.
Alright, 20 minutes later, I have finally updated my iPhone, so let's go ahead and open up the AirPods 2, and there you go. Okay, that looks pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and press connect, and the AirPods 2 are officially connected. Let's go ahead and put them on. I'm really curious. That's funny how it says AirPods number 2 because it's the second AirPods that I own. Here's by the way, a quick comparison between the first generation AirPods and the AirPods 2. Exactly the same, except it's got this light over here, and when we actually open them, there is no light in the new one because of course it's in the outside. If we take a look at the back, they're pretty much exactly the same as well. So still lightning cable, you still don't get to charge them by USB-C. Let's go ahead and put on some music. If you guys are not following me on Apple Music, you guys are seriously missing out. Let's go ahead and play some music. Is it just me, or do they actually sound better? Let me go ahead and put on the first generation AirPods. Yeah, it was just me. They pretty much sound exactly the same. I thought it was a little bit bassy, but I think it was just me. Okay, I think I mixed up my AirPods. But okay, these are the brand new ones. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn on wireless power share on the Samsung Galaxy S10 because now the AirPods 2 now have wireless charging. So let's go ahead and try it out. And boom! Just like that, my AirPods are now charging wirelessly, which is awesome. The Samsung Galaxy S10, as I said, has wireless power share, which basically acts like a like a wireless charger. Hopefully it will come to the iPhone. I mean, this feature on the Samsung Galaxy S10 is so incredible. It's so convenient. Of course, I've got my Galaxy Buds over here, Samsung's wireless earphones. So just by doing that as well, my Galaxy Buds are now charging. So I'm gonna do an AirPods 2 versus Galaxy Buds comparison video. So if you guys are excited for that comparison, of course, hit subscribe and get excited because it's honestly going to be a tough one to choose. Galaxy Buds or AirPods 2. They both are amazing earphones, so I'm probably gonna have a really tough time choosing between both. Another thing that I really wanna try out is always on Siri support. So let's go ahead and bring my iPhone over here. Let's go ahead and unlock, and let me go ahead and place it right here. Hey, what's the weather like today in Cupertino, California? That's so cool. It's going to be really handy. How can this be handy? So always on Siri support is going to be so incredibly handy in so many occasions, especially for the AirPods. As I said, it's great on the Apple Watch, it's great on the iPhone, but on the AirPods, it's revolutionary. For example, let's say you're getting some groceries and your hands are full, and you want to call somebody, but you can't. Your Apple Watch, you'd have to put your bag down, or your iPhone, you'd have to put everything down. But with the AirPods, by simply saying the magic words, hey, Siri, you will be able to call, get directions, be able to use Siri hands-free. And that is so amazing. I think hands-free Siri on the AirPods is probably the most useful Siri can be ever. On the HomePod, it's also great, but having it on your ear when your hands are full is simply amazing. Amazing. I'm also really excited to see how much longer they actually last, because Apple claims they can actually claim even more battery than the previous generation AirPods. So do I recommend these AirPods? Well, yeah, I definitely recommend them. If you have the first generation AirPods, if Hey Siri support is a really big thing for you, which it should be, definitely. If it's not really a big thing for you, if you're always on your phone, I don't really recommend it. But the AirPods 2 are here, and I'm so excited to actually test them out. They don't bring that many new features as we expected, but it's still exciting. It's still an amazing piece of hardware. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my unboxing of the AirPods 2. Of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video surrounding the Apple. Actually, tomorrow's video, I'm probably gonna upload my first impressions with the Galaxy Watch. So stay tuned with that. If you're not an Apple fan, maybe you're not probably gonna be that excited, but yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.